How do you think she's handling the beach so far?
She's handling pretty good, but I saw a bee and I'm not handling that pretty good.
We might have to go then. Hi, Dottie. Oh, she's so sweet. She's like, can I get squishies? That's so cute. She's happy. So, I forgot to end the day for yesterday when we did the beach day. So, I thought we could end it here.
Okay. Okay, okay.
She's not happy about that.
Come. Come.
So, as I was saying, we didn't get to end yesterday, the beach vlog, but she's doing so well. Every day she's opening up more and more. Now there's a car. Like, do people not know she lives here? She's the queen. Like, hello. But she's still careful, but she's like much more open to us petting her and feeding her treats and playing. She's not comfortable yet with toys, but that foot right there that used to be Ellie's, it's like,
look at this.
it's the dream. Get the foot. she keeps saying, hi, skin. She wants pets. But anyways, we hope you all are good and enjoyed it, and let us know if you want more Dottie vlogs, because we can do that.
Hello.
Pet me.
Hi, Skit. Hi.
Pet me.
Hi.
She just got food, so she's happy.
Yeah.